larger electronic devices, including laptop computers. Secure smaller handheld devices in your hand or seat pocket. Devices such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches must remain in airplane mode until after we land. We will be landing soon.
Gentlemen, in preparation for landing, if your seat is in a reclined position, please lean forward, press that little silver button, bring that seat forward from a reclined position for landing. If you've used one of those device holders in the seat back pockets, if you could close that up for landing. If your seatbelt is not fastened, if you would please fasten it. If your tray table is not stowed, if you would please stow it. And if your bags are out, we need all those bags stowed for landing. Thank you so much. Welcome to Orlando.
seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're very pleased to welcome you to Orlando. Current local time is 8:48. Again, we're about 15 minutes early today. And we do ask that you keep the center aisle free of all carry-on items and make sure your seatbelt is fastened until the seatbelt sign is released by the captain when it's safe to get up. Please use caution when you do open the overhead compartment. Your items may have shifted during flight. And don't forget to take that additional moment, check your seat back pockets, surrounding area, ensure you have all your belongings like cell phones, tablets, and chargers, as once you exit the aircraft, you will not be allowed back on. As we make our way to Terminal B as in Bravo Gate 53 today, if Orlando is your final destination, retrieve all checked baggage and carousel claim number 24 on the lower level out front.
Oh yeah.
On behalf of your entire flight crew, it's been our pleasure to have you on board. We certainly appreciate your business. Wish you a safe and pleasant weekend stay here in Orlando and safe travels to your destinations.
Thank you.
For those of you that did order a wheelchair and need additional assistance to planning, we're happy to work with you as soon as they become available. If you make your way forward and we're not quite ready, just have a seat in first class. We'll certainly let you know as soon as they are available. If you did check a car seat or stroller, that will be brought up onto the jet bridge as you exit the aircraft. Again, on behalf of your entire flight crew, we wish you a safe and pleasant weekend stay here in Orlando and safe travels to your destinations.
And for those who have taken advantage of the Aviator Red MasterCard application, we would like to congratulate you on getting your 2 round-trip tickets. If anyone else is still interested, we do still have a few applications left in the front of the plane. Feel free to take them home with you and take a look at it at your convenience, or you can share it with family or friends if you like. If you have completed your application, please turn that into a flight attendant on your way off the plane for expedited processing. Once again, this credit card offer is 2 round-trip tickets with an approved application. You can take one of those applications on your way off. Have a good day. Thank you.
We're waiting for Michael and Alexandra and go with them, or? There's certain boarding times. Yeah, I think because they try to stagger it.